As second COVID wave grips parts of India and authorities scramble to counter it and prevent further infections, New Delhi has pushed for fastest acceleration in what is already the world's biggest vaccination drive. Millions turned up on day one of the latest phase, where everybody above 45 years is now eligible for inoculation.
As many as 3.6 million Indians received vaccine jabs on 1st April after New Delhi expanded its inoculation drive to counter the resurge of infections in the country. The world's second most populous country aims to immunize 400 million people after expanding the program, which had been restricted to the over 60s and people with serious health conditions. India kicked off its inoculation drive in January that focused on health workers and security personnel in the first phase, followed by elderly, saying it wanted to cover the most vulnerable first.
सबको लेना चाहिए, सुरक्षित है। कोविड को अपने को हराना है, तो आज से ये शुरू हो गया है, तो आप ले लीजिए, सब ने ले लीजिए, मैंने भी लिया है।
And while the number of daily COVID infections had come down to fewer than 10,000 cases a day last month, a sudden spike in some parts following the resumption of nearly entire economy has added a pressure on the government. Some parts of the country have already announced partial lockdowns, others are mulling it too. The government's priority has been to save lives against economic losses. While it has asked the citizen to get themselves vaccinated, testing has been ramped up and vaccine manufacturers have been asked to double down on producing more jabs. Assertive citizens have made things easy for the administration.
देखो, जिस तरह से कोरोना के केसेस बहुत ज़्यादा फैल रहे हैं, उस तरह से सबको वैक्सीनेशन करना चाहिए ताकि सब अपनी लाइफ्स को सेव कर सके।
Meanwhile, the authorities have urged the people to not put their guard down and continue to comply with the COVID protocol. Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself had asked people to not get complacent with earlier gains made by the country.
हमें कोरोना की उस उभरती हुई सेकंड पीक को तुरंत रोकना ही होगा, और इसके लिए हमें क्विक और डिसाइसिव कदम उठाने होंगे।
Although the second wave is increasing the number of cases exponentially, India, which is no more the second worst affected country owing to its successful preventive run for weeks until last month, still has one of the best recovery rates of around 95%. India's mortality rate too is amongst the lowest in the world. And with vaccine manufacturing companies set to expand their production, the country will be more equipped to counter and control the disease. And it's not just that India has been working for Indians. Its Vaccine Maitri drive, aimed at providing vaccines to others, needy countries, has picked momentum, with dozens of countries inoculating its citizens with India-made vaccines.